The Senate Law and Justice Committee. My name is Gary Ernsdorff. I'm a senior prosecutor with the King County Prosecutor's Office. I was here last year urging you to act on the rampant catalytic converter theft problem, and act you did. You created a statewide work group to investigate and report back on catalytic converter theft. And we did. And I say we because I was part of that group, an amazing group of experts from all over the state to discuss and thoroughly research catalytic converter theft. And we interviewed, we researched, we had guest speakers, and came up with a report. And Senate Bill 5740 reflects much of that hard work. The magnitude of the problem is obvious, as you heard from Senator Wilson, but it's also important to recognize the impact on the individual. The single parent whose car is stolen, who relied on that to get to work and get their kids to daycare, that can have a significant financial impact on an individual and a family. We need to act now. What the work group found is that if we can dry up the marketplace for these illegal catalytic converters, we can help combat the problem. And there's two vastly different marketplaces. The one is licensed recyclers who have a regulatory scheme in place right now. What the work group found is that even though there's a regulatory scheme in place, there's zero evidence that any inspection and any enforcement is going on in that area. 5740, with a few simple adjustments to the statutory scheme right now, will make those inspections mandatory, and they will be occurring to make sure that the regulations you put in place are enforced. The second marketplace that Senator Wilson touched upon is the illegal, unregulated, unlicensed black market dealers. Look up Facebook Marketplace. I did the other day and found 3 individuals that would drive anywhere in King County to meet me at any parking lot and buy catalytic converters. We need to make sure that those people are licensed, and if they're not, there's a penalty associated. Senate Bill 5740 makes it a crime to be an unlicensed buyer of catalytic converters. That's the kind of action we need. I urge you to act now.
Thank you, and I appreciate you saying